Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the class of Operation Research. And in this class, we'll discuss the initial basic feasible solution by Vogel Approximation method. So in the last class, guys, if you remember, we discussed about a Vogel Approximation method, the determination of initial basic feasible solution. We did it already in last class, but with last class, I did the problem from some textbook. And in this class, I'll do the problem which came in 2017 exam. So I believe that way it become more important for you. So in this class, we are going to discuss a problem which came in 2017 from the topic called Vogel approximation method from the transportation problem that we'll discuss in this class. So if you see this 2017 paper, so 2017 paper, question number 15, if you see this, so we'll do this problem. Okay, so let me just write down the problem. Before we try to determine the initial basic feasible solution by Vogel approximation method, we need to make sure that the total sum of supply should be equal to the total sum of demand. So here, if I see the total sum of demand, that is 200, 200, 200, 200, 800 plus 900, so 950 total demand. If I see total supply, that is also 950, means total demand is equal to total supply. That's fine. The element which are there in inside the metric, there should be cost element, and so the objective should always be minimization. Okay, fine. So now if you see this problem, so A B C D E F G, A B C D E F G, A B C D E F G. So A B C, so A B C D E F G. So A B C, A B C, then D E F G, D E F G, then available. Then 11, 16, 21, 11, 16, 21. Then 13, 18, 24, 13, 18, 24. Then 17, 14, 13, 17, 14, 13. So then 14, 10, 10, 14, 10, 10. Then available 250, 300, 400, 250, 300, 250, 300, 400. The sum is 950. 250, 300, 400. The sum is 950. And then 200, 225, 200, 225, 275, and then 250. Okay, so this, so the demand is this. The demand is this. So this is given, guys. Total sum of supply is equal to total sum of demand. Great. Okay, awesome. Then we'll try to solve this. We'll try to solve this problem. Total sum of supply is equal to total sum of demand. Now we'll try to solve this by using Vogel approximation method. So that is what they have instructed us to do. So we have to determine the initial basic feasible solution by using the Vogel approximation method. So when we work on Vogel approximation method, guys, so the allocation of elements, the values, we don't do simply. We find the penalty, and based upon the penalty, we will do the allocation. We'll find the penalty, and based upon that, we'll do the allocation. So here, if you see, this is P1. So for the penalty, find the smallest element 11 and subtract it from the next smallest element. This is 5. This is 13, this is 18, this is 5, then this is 1, this is 10 and 14, this will be 4. Penalty 1. Now if you see this, P1, this is 11, 13, this is 2, then this is 14 minus 10, this is 4, this is 13 minus 10, this is 3. So you can see, you can find the highest element. So that would be either, that would is 5. So that is either this column 1 or column 2. You can choose any one. Okay, the smallest element in that is 11. Demand is 200, supply is 250. So you'll put 200 here. You can put 200 here. This left is 50. Okay, then I'll find the next penalty. Next penalty. This is done. First column done. This is 5 only. This is 1 only. This is 4 only. This will be 1. 14 minus 13. This will be 4. And this will be 3. So now again the highest one is 5 only. So now again the highest one is 5. So here now 5. The smallest element is 13. So 50 you can put here. 50 you can put here. 50 if it come here, then this will be how much? 225 minus 50. 225 minus 50 will be 175. That will be 175, guys. So 225 minus 50, that will be 175. Now again I can find the third penalty, P3. So this was P2, then I can find P3. P3, this is done. Then this is 4, this is 3. Okay, then P3, this is done. Then this is 24 minus 18. 24 minus 18, this would be 6. Okay, this would be 1, this is 0. Okay, so now the highest one is 6. So the 6 is highest one. So we'll go with the second column. The smallest element is 18. So you'll put 175 here. This is done. This will left is 125. Then I'll find fourth penalty. This is done. This is done. Then this is 1. This is 0. And then this is done. Then this is 4. This will be 3. The smallest, the highest value is 4. So the in that third row, the small third no second row, the smallest element is 10. So this will be 125. This will be done. 125. This is done. This is 125 left. This is done. This is done. This is 3. So first column done, second column done, third column 13, and then 10. So the highest one is 13. So 13. So you'll put 275 here. We'll put 275 here. 300, 125 here. 125 you can put here. I think we are done with this. We are done with the allocation, guys. Okay, everyone. So you can do the test of degeneracy. Test of degeneracy means the total number of allocation that should be equal to number of row, 3 rows plus number of column, 4 column, 3 plus 4, 7 minus 1, 6 allocation should happen. So if you see this, the 6 allocation should be there. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 allocation is there. Means everything is correct. So no problem with that part. Okay, no problem with that. So now I can do that. I can find the total cost. So the total cost is equal to total cost will be equal to 11 into 200 plus 50 into 13 plus 18 into 175 plus 13 into 275 plus 10 into 125. Do this, that is your total cost. Clear everyone? Anyone, any doubt? So the calculation is 11 into 200 means 2200. 11 twos are 22. Then 13 into 50, 650. Then 17. Then 13 into 50. Then 13 to 50, right? 650. Then 18 to 175. Then 18 into 175. Then 13 to 275. Then 13 into 275. Then 10 into 125. 1250. Then simple add it. 10825. So 10825, that is your total cost. 10825. 10,825. Clear everyone? Okay, so we just had to find the initial basic feasible solution. We did it. This question came for 6 marks in 2017, I guess. Yeah, 2017. Any doubt, anyone? Please mention your doubt in the comment option if you have any doubt. Then any other question? 1 minute. I have only 3-year question paper, guys. If you have more question paper, you can send to me. You see this question? This question came for 6 marks. Which year? 2018, 6 marks question. We'll do this question now. 2018, 6 marks question. Again from Vogel approximation method.